Myself Raj. Welcome to Raj Online Trainings. In the series of Java Programming Complete Placement Course, in this video we are going to see how to download and install Java on our operating system. When I am making this video, the latest version is Java 24 version. In order to download Java 24 version on our operating system, open search engine like Google and you can search for Java 24 download. The first link what you are getting here from this oracle.com, open this Java downloads and here you can see Java 24 version, which even we call JDK 24. JDK means Java Development Kit. We can even say Java SC Development Kit. And you can download this Java Development Kit on Linux operating system and on Mac OS, and even we can go with Windows. In the description of this video, I'll be giving a YouTube link where you can find how to download and install Java and Mac OS, and even you can find in the same video how to develop a Java application at terminal on Mac OS. That link I'll be providing in the description of this video. You can follow that if you are using Mac OS operating system. In this video, I'll be showing how to go with Windows. Choose here Windows, and here we need to choose this x64 installer. This one we have to choose to download. Click on this link to download this JDK 24 version on Windows operating system. Once you click on this, it's going to download the file, that is JDK-24 underscore Windows x64 underscore bin.exe file. It's an executable file. It's going to download on our local system. And once the file is downloaded, we need to run this application. See, it's getting downloaded. So once it is completed, run this application. Right, you can run this. Click on S button. Then it's going to open the installation wizard. In the installation wizard, click on Next button. Then by default, Java will get installed in a folder in our system C drive, program files. It's going to create a folder Java under that JDK-24. If you want to install in other location, click on Change button to change the installation. In my case, I'm keeping as it is. Just I'm going to click on Next button. Click on Next button. So it's going to install Java software on our operating system. Once the installation is completed, it's going to show installation complete, and just our work is to click on Close button to complete the installation part. It will take a little bit time to do the installation part. It's very simple to install. Just to say next and close. Right here, the installation is successfully completed. Here click on Close button to complete the installation. Now by default, where Java has been installed, in my case it is C drive. In program files, it's going to create a folder Java. Under that you can see JDK-24. If you open this JDK-24, up to the parent folder of bin, wherever you may install Java, up to parent folder of bin, this address we call it as Java home. So what is Java home? In my case, C drive, program files, Java, under that JDK-24. This address up to parent folder of bin, this address we call with what name? Java home. This address we call Java home. Now in this bin folder, in Java home bin folder, you can see the commands Java and JavaSC commands. JavaSC command is for compiling our Java source code file. Java command is used to run our bytecode. So where these commands are located? Java and JavaSC commands are located under Java home bin folder. Now in order to make use of these commands, we need to do the path setting. We have to do the path setting. How to do the path setting is just to copy this address up to bin folder. Copy this address. Now Right click on this PC, go to properties, and in this you can choose advanced system settings. Click on environment variables. Under system variables, select path and say edit. Then click on new button, paste the address. So we have copied now up to Java home bin folder, that is C drive program files Java JDK-24 bin folder. Paste this address and click on OK button, click on OK button and click on OK button. To check whether the Java is installed successfully or not, open command prompt by typing cmd in search. Open this command prompt, and here you can see the version of Java by using the command java-version. When we use the command java-version, it's going to show the version for us, Java version, which is 24. So our Java 24 version has installed successfully for us. So you can even check for the command javac. So when we say javac, it's going to give some information to us. That means our javac command and Java command are working successfully. So in this video, we have just seen how to download and install Java on Windows operating system. In the next video, we will be seeing how to develop a Java application at command prompt. At the command prompt, how to develop a Java application, how to compile our source code, how to run our Java program. That we will be seeing in the next video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.